There's a verdict tonight in the case of a Calgary boy who died after being denied proper medical care by his own mother. A judge found Tamara Lovett guilty after she chose to treat her extremely sick 7-year-old with holistic remedies at home instead of getting him to a hospital. Here's CTV's Vennavally-Rao.
Friends describe Tamara Lovett as an attentive and loving mother who cared deeply about her son Ryan. But in an Alberta courtroom, a judge finding Lovett, quote, gambled away Ryan's life by refusing to take the 7-year-old to a doctor as he got sicker and sicker, relying instead on holistic remedies.
There's this approach that says, look, I'm the parent, I can decide what's best for my child. And the law says, well, that's true up to a point.
I'll get your coffee.
In an interview with police, Lovett said she at first thought her son had the flu or a cold, adding she gave him dandelion tea and other natural products. But after being bedridden for 10 days, he collapsed on the floor of their apartment, his mother then calling 911.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened. He's been having a fever and he's in convulsion right now.
Paramedics arrived, but Ryan couldn't be saved. It turned out he had a strep infection, which a doctor testified could have been cured with antibiotics. But the Crown said Ryan's mother didn't believe in conventional medicine and had tried to use internet searches to diagnose her son. The court heard a few days before he died, Ryan's eyes became jaundiced and he couldn't stand. The judge finding a reasonable parent would have brought Ryan in to see a doctor.
And the court specifically found that Tamara Lovett actually knew how sick he was and simply refused to do so and therefore gambled with his life.
The judge finding Lovett guilty of criminal negligence causing death, though staying a second charge of failing to provide the necessaries of life. A charge a couple in Lethbridge were found guilty of last year in the case of their 19-month-old son, who died of bacterial meningitis. They too had refused to take him to a doctor, preferring natural remedies.
As for Lovett, she's been ordered to undergo a psychiatric assessment. Lisa?
Now, what does the assessment do in terms of sentencing, and what could the possible penalty be?
Well, the Crown will be seeking jail time. And in the case of that Lethbridge couple, the husband got 4 months in jail and the wife was put under house arrest. In this case, sentencing will begin on June the 19th, and Lovett will remain out on bail until then.
Okay, we'll wait for June then. John, thanks for this tonight.